The key to keeping your pond looking beautiful is proper filtration. Aquascape UltraKlean Pond Filters keep ponds and water gardens clean, providing an easy way to maintain optimal water conditions and crystal clear water. This 3-in-1 filter combines a specialized mechanical and biological filter system with a high-output ultraviolet clarifier, which uses a powerful light to eliminate green or pea soup-colored water. 2 versions are available depending on the size of your pond: the UltraKlean 2000 for ponds up to 2,000 gallons, and the UltraKlean 3500 for ponds up to 3,500 gallons. Each filter is constructed of extremely durable, injection-molded polypropylene, and its sturdy design allows it to simply be placed next to the pond or partially buried to conceal it into the landscape. What makes this filter unique and easy to maintain is its specially designed filtration media. Traditional pressure filters use sponges, which quickly clog, are messy to clean, and deteriorate over time, requiring expensive and time-consuming replacement. UltraKlean BioBalls will not clog, never need to be replaced, and are designed to work both as mechanical and biological filter media. The UltraKlean filtration process begins when incoming water is diffused and evenly distributed through the filter. The dirty water flows through the UltraKlean BioBalls, which pack tightly together to trap debris from the water as it passes. As water moves through this stage, it is also cleaned by microscopic beneficial bacteria which colonize on the textured surfaces of the BioBalls to break down ammonia, nitrites, and other waste. After the water is mechanically and biologically filtered, it enters the UV chamber, where a powerful UV light quickly destroys single-celled algae to eliminate unsightly green water. The UltraKlean uses a T5 high-output UV bulb, which is brighter and driven at a higher electrical current to maximize its output and penetrate deep into the water. All UV bulbs become less effective the more they are used. Because the UltraKlean uses a high-output bulb, it is not necessary to run your UV clarifier 24 hours a day. The innovative bulb saver feature makes it easy to adjust how long the UV is illuminated each day, saving you time and money by reducing how often bulbs need to be replaced. Choose between 6-hour, 12-hour, or 24-hour settings. The control panel even provides an indicator light to quickly check if the UV is on or off. Cleaning the UltraKlean is a breeze, as the simple-to-use backflush cleans out the canister in less than 5 minutes without ever opening the filter. Simply turn the backflush knob to reverse the flow of water and release the tightly packed BioBalls, causing them to swirl around and send trapped debris out of the backflush discharge. The control panel even provides a convenient LED indicator light reminding you when to backflush the filter. UltraKlean filters are compatible with most pumps and come complete with fittings to accommodate a wide variety of installations. UltraKlean Pond filtration kits are also available to take the guesswork out of selecting the correct pump and filtration combination. UltraKlean Pond filters are backed by a 3-year limited warranty to ensure years of reliable filtration. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended and have been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.